Yeah.
Weird. I'm Kyle. This is my bike check. Checking up on my bike. I have ODI long neck grips.
Can you stop doing that?
Thank you. They're turned. Okay, you don't have to look at. They're turned inside out. If you haven't noticed, I just like it because it's easier right there. Shut up. Anyways, I just have stock
shut
tires.
up during mine, so.
Very nice. I like them. I haven't bent them. This is a Salt AM stem. I like it. It is pretty, and I got it for free. So these are my handlebars. They're pretty nice. Just kidding. They're my forks. They're stock Haro 200.1 forks. I got them from a friend because mine broke, and that is all. Then I have a a poverty curb feeler peg, just like back there. It's really dirty. And then I have an Odyssey Vandero 1 hub laced to a stock rim. It's bad. I don't like it. It's really bent, but well. This is a kind of contact tire. I like it. It's very nice. And then I have Mission Transit cranks right here. They're nice. I like them. This is an Odyssey twisted pedal. See how it twists right there? That's why they call it twisted, in case you didn't know. I like them. They're nice and grippy and light and pretty, and they don't match my bike anymore, but they did. And that's a bottom bracket. It's stock. This is a seat. It is a We the People arcade seat. Pivotal. It's nice, soft. I got it from my friend. And this, you can't see it, but it's a McNeil pivotal seat post. I like it. I like it, okay? I like it. I fucking like it. Oh, my frame is a 2011 Haro 200.1. I like it. My friends make fun of me. I don't care. Shut up. This is another poverty curb feeler peg. Yeah, peg's a peg. This is a Demolition Rolls hub laced to another stock rim with a kind of contact on it, which is too small for my bike. It looks stupid.
It's not done yet.
This is my chain. It's rusty and bad, and I've had it for a really long time, but I like it because it hasn't broke and I haven't snapped a link, so I like it. This is a Shadow Conspiracy Screamer sprocket, 25 teeth, and that is my lighter. But that's my bike. I'm gonna do a trick.
Where are you doing it?
Right there. Tyler.
That was gay.